Okay, we're gonna make this video quick and to the point. So to vacuum seal your lobster tails, we gotta remove these spikes. These spikes are crucial to the whole process because if we don't remove them, if we don't cut them off, they're gonna poke holes through the bag. So as you see here, we're using a scissors, just an ordinary scissor. We're gonna cut those spikes off. We're gonna do that to all the tails as we prep them to be vacuum sealed. So these tails have already been deveined. We cut off the swimmerets, and now we're just cutting the spikes. If you would like to see the video on how to devein the lobster tail and remove the intestinal tract that runs through the tail, go ahead and click the link below. Okay, so at this point, the tails are ready to be put in the bag. We're gonna go ahead and put 2 tails in this bag. We're gonna label it. I like to also add the date to it so I know how long they've been in the freezer. And the most crucial part to this whole process is going to be to keep the top part of the bag as dry as possible. Here's a quick tip. If you see that you're vacuum sealing your lobster tails and you're not getting a seal after it's supposed to seal, for example, you see air getting back into the bags, your seal area is wet. So sometimes you can get away with just trying to reseal it again by sticking it back in the machine, or just cut that area off, dry it with a paper towel, and redo it. That's it. The lobsters are ready to go into the freezer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel for more videos, and share it with your fishing buddies.